Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the world of data analysis. But don't worry, I'm keeping it fun and exciting. No boring stuff, I promise. First up, let's talk about data analysis actually is. Think of it like this. You have tons of information from different sources. Data analysis helps you make sense of all that info, kind of like finding a hidden treasure. So, why should you care? Well, imagine you're trying to figure out which video games are the most popular among your friends. Data analysis can help you collect and understand that info so you can be the ultimate game night planner. Pretty cool, right? All right, let's break it down into 3 simple steps. This is like gathering clues for a mystery. You can get data from surveys, social media, or even your own observations. The more data you have, the better. Think of this as sorting your clues. Use spreadsheets or apps to keep everything neat and tidy. Trust me, this makes the next step way easier. Now comes the fun part. Look for patterns or trends. Maybe you notice that most of your friends play a certain game on weekends. Boom, you've just analyzed data. High five. But wait, there's more. Data analysis isn't just for school projects or figuring out game night. It's used everywhere. Businesses use it to figure out what products to sell. Social media influencers use it to see what content gets the most likes. Even sports teams use it to improve their game strategies. So, how can you get started? Try using free tools like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. There are also tons of tutorials online to guide you. And don't be afraid to ask your teachers for help. They're there to support you. All right, let's wrap this up. Data analysis might sound complicated, but it's all about breaking it down into simple steps. Collect, organize, and analyze. And remember, data is power. Use it to make better decisions and impress your friends. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And drop a comment below about what you want to learn next. See you next time.